Hey y'all, so I just wanted to do a quick video and show you guys how I use my Pampered Chef can opener. It is a smooth can opener where it opens the cans from the side seal, not from the top, so that you won't cut yourself from the open metal. So I'm positioning it on top of here, and I just have to get it to where it is catching, like it's connecting, and it's connected here. And then I'm just gonna turn it, or I thought I was gonna turn it. Okay, so now I'm turning it, and I'll turn it until it starts to feel loose, because right now it's kind of tight, but it'll become loose, and it just became loose. And then I'm gonna turn it back the other way, and it comes off. And there's a claw here with a button. So then I'm gonna take the claw here to lift this up, and voila, it is open. Smooth edges. I am not cutting myself. This is one of my favorite tools of the Pampered Chef collection that I love. So this is a smooth can opener. I will be posting a link. Go get you one. You'll love it too, I promise. Thanks for watching.